Dear students, welcome to our class on climate change, the role of C3, C4 plants. Of course, crab plants are also there. Now, photosynthetic pathways. What are the photosynthetic pathways? Crops differ in their method of fixation of CO2, carbon dioxide. Those crops following the Kelvin cycle produce a 3-carbon compound as a precursor and are called C3 plants. Those crops following hat and slack pathway produce a 4-carbon compound as a precursor are called C4 plants. Of course, a minor group of plants follow crustacean acid metabolism are called CAM plants. Now, what are the examples of C3 plants, C4 plants and CAM plants? C3 plants are rice, wheat, soybean. C4 are maize, millet, sugarcane. CAM plants are members of crustacean. Now, I would like to discuss with you the important findings of research from agrometrology point of view, particularly micrometrology point of view, from agronomic, soil science, above all, crop physiology point of view. Number one, the C3 pathway is less efficient than the C4 pathway in production of photosynthesis. Number one, research finding. The CAM plants fix up CO2 at night. Third one, the C3 plants get light saturated at 2500 to 5000 foot candles. The C4 plants have a light saturation and their photosynthesis is very little affected in the temperature ranges of 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Now, the CO2 compensation for C3 plants is high and about 5 to 10 times greater than that of C4 plants. Now, higher temperatures are required by C4 plants. Higher temperatures are required by C4 plants compared to C3 plants. Very interesting point. One of the research findings is thus C4 plants are more efficient under hot and bright weather conditions. This is from micrometeorological point of view. You should understand. Once again, I try to repeat. Thus, the C4 plants are more efficient under hot and bright sunshine conditions. Taking this point in view, to combat climate change, whether it is avoidance, mitigation or adaptation. So, please use in your research in the days to come on this point. And another research points, some more research points are, the C3 plants have photorespiration, that is, have high rates of respiration in light. C3 plants have high photorespiration under high light intensities. Of course, high rates of respiration will take place. The C4 plants have low photorespiration rates. The C4 point plants have low photo, particularly jowar. In my research, I found it. Now, on an average, a doubling of CO2 will increase the yields of the crop at least by 30%. Current, this is an interesting point from crop physiological point of view. Current levels of CO2 is a limiting factor in photosynthesis of C3 plants. This is one of the research findings. Okay, now elevated CO2 will increase dark respiration, but the ratio of dark respiration to photosynthesis or photosynthesis and products of photosynthesis is constant under CO2 of enrichment, CO2 enrichment. The last point is thus elevated CO2 will reduce photorespiration, which will benefit C3 plants more than C4 plants. These are the research findings. Again, I would like to underline that from agronomic, soil science, above all, from physiological science side. So, use these things for climate change. C3, C4 and CAM plants in the climate change. What we should do? Avoid, mitigate, adapt. Thanking you very much.